So my name is Angel. I'm based in Cambridge and I have to service accommodation in Cambridge, so rent to rent in Cambridge.
Amazing. What brought you here today?
So I wanted to learn more about the deal sourcing and try different strategies in Cambridge. So yeah,
Excellent. And how have you found it?
oh really good. I mean the vibe is really good, very motivated. So yeah, I mean very interested.
Excellent. And how's it been working with Samuel? How's it been working with their team?
Like I mean, it's always motivating. Like hear Samuel. So everything that he says and what he did, I think is great. So
And to anyone who's thinking about coming onto a crash course, coming to an event, what would you say?
that's. I mean, I started like that. I went to a crash course, and that's what convinced me to go to the next step. No, I think is very worth it. A lot of content in the academy, a lot of things to learn, and yeah,